Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on iPhone 16e. So you have to start by opening your App Store, then type in on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click on this button to install your app. Now click open. And here you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click skip. Now you can sign in into your Firefox account, or you can click skip again. And you can turn notifications, or you can click skip. And here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue. And you can select your toolbar placement, or you can just click save and start browsing. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.